looking for a lifeline, some way to get to cloud nine. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care if it's alright.
Oh, GoPro. Oh, of course, yes.
Do you wanna be my vlog? Expect this kind of construction in the countryside of China. It feels like you're. We'll go inside. Gotcha. Be careful. Stairs.
往里面走。走动。
It's very exotic, huh?
It's beautiful. So I will translate today for most of the things Daxin will want to share with us.
好，我代表农场欢迎大家的到来。
So welcome everyone here to the Heartland Farm.
我是这个农场的设计师、建设者。
He's a designer and a builder of the farm.
Wow.
我接下来会带领大家漫游农场。
He'll lead us tour around the farm.
这边有一个木工房，
This is a place for them to do woodwork.
农场的建设都靠这里，所以它就像是农场的 CPU。
CPU of the farm.
这里可以把各种想法变成现实。
Wow. These are all the magic happens. That's where he builds the little canoes.
This is the biggest canoe. They can like start from here and then kind of tour the whole Chongming Island.
啊，后面有非常多的河，而且有环岛的运河。
There are like a lot of rivers on Chongming Island, and there's like a river around the island.
这是探索崇明的一种很健康的、很环保的方式。
Healthy, sustainable way to explore Chongming.
It's quite intricate but very stable. I'm surprised by how stable everything feels here.
Probably because it's very.
It's like not flaky at all.
Oh wow.
Oh, where are we headed? Where are we going?
There's a space like above on the second floor. Yeah, it's like more like yoga, those things, and
Just little shops here.
we can go up there
Very
and eat
interesting.
after.
Collect all the farm produces and these little girls.
Oh, this is the first canoe they built.
Wow,
帆船是这个样子的。
it's so nice.
Oh,
tiny.
that's the sailboat kind of like the model up here.
这里有崇明的非物质文化遗产纺织。
In
like a
Cultural legacy. Yeah.
The cloth. There's
making the clothes.
like sewing machine. Yeah.
You can just see for yourself. You get the drill.
这里有咖啡。
There's coffee there. You can help yourself.
You can make your own coffee. Oh, and some
This
bakeries.
is the kitchen. They're preparing.
Smell something good.
Permaculture, organic living, and
Now we're inside a little pottery house. Look at all these cute little jars and pots. And oh, I think this is made of the sigua vegetable. You can use it to clean your dishes and stuff. You can like use it as like a scrub. Meditating starting now. Should lie down. This view. That's beautiful. So open. Whew. Is that where they plant all the vegetables?
It looks like it.
There's some local people cooking in the back, the kitchen, for our lunch. And it'll be starting very soon, I hope. What food is this? It looks like kimchi.
Corn, kimchi, tofu.
Oh, 这是什么呀？这是鸡肉。Chicken. I'll take one. 谢谢。Oh, that's heavy. Wow. Damn, it's a lot of chicken.
So excited.
这里面是加了无麸质的酱
哦，
油。
没关系。
酱油，所以特意给你
还有
好的。
无麸质酱。
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, everything here is gluten-free. Soy sauce.
Chinese again.
Not expect that. level of detail.
这里如果你酱油不够，还可以加。
Oh my god, gluten-free soy
还有一
sauce.
个原味的芋头，
Holy. 太感谢了，太感谢了。
还有一个菜。
So sweet.
Okay, everyone. Cheers. Enjoy your lunch.
Cheers. I drink the soy sauce from the bottle.
They're doing all this for like social media. Are you on Xiaohongshu?
I want to do like a Chinese cultural YouTube.
Oh, cool.
The Westerners.
站在外面，对吧？我记得有一次是在那个纽约广场。
Yeah, I think you should do that too because you have the perfect face.
The perfect face.
Yeah. I love seeing Westerners do it.
那边楼顶上真有
Like a blonde girl.
好事儿我都没赶上，还没来。
With blue eyes.
现在50块钱都不想去。
Probably rolling her eyes. This is dinner for the chicken.
对，你就要小心的是有他们能让步入的。
The local hosts doing our dishes. And these are the local seasoning and meat for our pizza later. Some avocado. Oh, we have avocado for the pizza. I think so. 这是生肉吗？还没做的。
啊，等一下会那个先处理一下。
哦，晚饭。
披萨的。
哦，pizza. Okay, this is for dinner.
啊，对，然后你是那个是那
哦
位。，
对，我是那个那个不能吃面。
然后我查到了说可以用米饭加鸡蛋拌一拌，然后做一个披萨底。
哦，好了好了，谢谢谢谢。
等一下你自己做。
好期待。So this is the bathroom, and it's unisex. So, oh, it's actually really fancy. It's got a nice sink right here, and bathtub looks like a smart bathtub. Oh, you can also shower here. How nice! It's literally got everything, and it's just little one unit here. So cool. And we got some toilet paper here. Of course. Oh my god, what is that? My stomach is at the capacity after that big meal, so now I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. And it's really nice actually. Look at the sink. It's beautiful. It's so clean. Look at all of these flowers. I feel just so one with nature right here.
一楼是一个共享书房，然后在它的2楼是可以入住的。
Be careful.
That's a seesaw? Oh, that's a huge seesaw. How does that work?
Oh
It's like way too narrow to be a seesaw. It does not look comfortable.
Do it. Yes.
Oh shit. Do it. This is like the most uncomfortable seesaw ever. Oh my god, my butt hurts.
Yeah.
5 years old.
Oh my god.
Gotta push down.
I feel like I'm too heavy. You're not coming down.
Just don't break your butt.
God damn. God.
Excellent.
It's a good workout, okay. Yeah, you wanna try?
I think I'm short, but I mean I'll try.
Okay. Oh wait.
Oh no, yeah.
Let me get off.
Okay.
Okay. Alright.
Who else is like who's gonna be heavier, you or me? Probably me. I'm so short, my feet don't even reach the ground.
Hold it. Hold the fort.
Yeah.
I can't even touch the
This short people struggle.
I know, but the one. Go. Tell me when you want to get off.
They're cheering you guys on.
Okay.
That's for me. Okay.
And neither of them can get off.
More people problems.
Oh, ping pong table.
This he didn't have a chance to say, but this is like a ping pong table he made himself.
Wow.
So there's like
What?
cement structure underneath to make sure like it's stable and steady. And then last time when I came, he's like, like nothing can blow away this thing. So you're super proud of like this whole thing. And this you can see this is just those thing like the storage things like they are not using anymore, so they use it as the foundation. So you can also play ping pong in the afternoon.
Oh
when
wow,
you have free time.
so smart.
Okay.
Oh, some ping pong balls and pads over here. Yeah, should we play?
Oh, ping pong.
Should we do it, Nia? Later?
Yeah, do it. I suck at ping pong, but let's do it. And we're gonna lose probably all the balls, but that's okay.
Hello, you are here. 来吧，可以开始做。
没有，你自己来吧。你看需要放多少米饭？
谢谢。
然后你也可以底下稍微撒一点粉，然后这个米饭在这边。
那这一会儿烤它就可以弄成饼了，是吧？
对的。
好的。现在它是
需要多少放多少。对，它现在是糊状的。
好的。
摊个圆形的。
谢谢。
尽量摊的稍微薄一点，不然就吃了太多的米。
汤太大了，
有点大了，没关系。放在这里喽。
好，谢谢。
没事，你拿的离自己近一点吧，会不会好做一点？
这还有人做。Mia, hard at work.
Hard at work. Yep. Making a pizza.
This is our interview video for Papa John, so we can get a job.
Yep.
In the suburbs.
Hey, well, I'm sorry, Papa John, but I think this is kind of better.
I think this is way better.
Yeah.
I think you're made for this, Mia.
Yeah, it's my ultimate job.
This is your profession.
This is what I'm paying my tuition for making pizza.
This is our calling.
Yep.
它一直都是我们自己做的吗？自己种的吗？就这些蔬菜。
菜有的是自己种的。
好新鲜，非常新鲜。
Is that dessert? What is that?
It's like steamed rice one.
崇明糕 their typical dessert here in
崇明。
Oh wow, so cool. That's so cool.
Wonderful.
How do you say it? 卓明糕?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's just my name, Miranda Wang.
Miranda Wang?
Yeah.
WANG?
Do you have a channel since you have a drone?
Yeah, I have a channel that I upload school projects on.
That's so lame.
So inspirational, man. Yo, paparazzi, I'm sorry. No
Too
photos.
popular.
No photos.
它这个要有点厚了，
对，它这个烤了很久。
你就那个菜它可能稍微多2分钟吧。
哦，这是我的。
这
我要说谁的这么厚？
因为你的是米饭，跟他们不一样。
啊。
那米饭的进来了吗？这个就是的。这个
就是
米饭呀。哦。
对，这我的。
我说怎么不一样呢？
我的。我自己都没认出来。
怎么不起来呢？没鼓包呀。
对，没烤了，刚没烤。
那不能再烤了，烤上去要焦了。
啊，要焦了，没事。
这个比他们的好吃。
感觉这个
香了，这个2个蛋嘞。
还多2个蛋了。
啊，多2个蛋。
好的，可以，你没事，您切就行了。这个纸是您的。好。好嘞。可以。放上去。放不上去，谢谢阿姨。Wow. Yeah, finally it's ready.
How is it going?
They use the rice as the crusting, and eggs to glue it together. But then the toppings didn't really stick on the pizza.
She also did not put the pasta sauce on first.
I think that's why.
It's the last thing you put on.
Maybe it's not a pizza, but it's something that tastes good.
It's a pizza bowl, yeah.
I like that there's no tenses.
In Chinese.
Yeah.
Easy. Yeah, that works.
The grammar is very straightforward. It's simple and it's consistent, unlike English.
He wants one bread without any toppings, but only scallions.
I respect that. Oh, like 葱油饼.
But I don't
Scallion
think that,
pancake.
I don't think that works the same way. But we'll see.
Yeah, you cannot cook that in the oven.
I would say this Chinese.
My battery is about to die. I'm gonna eat more fruits and wait for the campfire to start before sunset. I think that's like an apple and mango and like all these little pears. They're interestingly shaped. It's like a cute pineapple and these dragon fruits. I don't know what those melons are. They're like oval-shaped watermelon, I guess. It's like a mandarin, clementine. I feel like I want to eat this like choji, like color is like ugly orange, but it tastes really good. Oh, that's why it's so much smoke coming out. Yeah, it's the campfire smoke. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Starting.
I'm just like super busy all the time, and I actually don't feel hungry. I often don't feel hungry, and I don't eat a lot. And so I think there is something, I don't know quite what it is, but I think there is something about like bringing myself to a different space and actually like giving myself nourishment that I'm gonna keep thinking about. You know, scratch, building this from scratch.
但是非常喜欢这个过程，
He likes the process a lot.
包括挑战。
He also likes the challenges.
Oh my god.
拿一下，我脱口没手了。我烤的成功了，还可以。
直接上手了。
对，已经顾不上这么多了。好了，
反正还会烤一下。
一个
S'more sandwich.
Wanna be your enemy. I just wanna feel your energy.